Moving up through the teen and tween from RoWood. If you have a kiddo who loved marble runs, and we always have a marble run somewhere in our toy guide because our kids love them. Let's just be honest. Our kids love marble runs. Our therapists love marble runs. It has a beginning, middle, and end to it. It's cause and effect. It's a super great toy. And a lot of our kids, they played with them when they were kids and now they're teenagers and you want to make it more age appropriate. Well, this is a puzzle. It's wooden and it's a puzzle that they have to put together that when it's done, it's almost like the old mousetrap. It's a marble run of the highest level, but it's a puzzle that they have to put together. Super fabulous. I absolutely love this. They make other things as well, but you knew I had to have a marble run in there. Thanks for watching Autism Live. If you found anything helpful in this video, please give us a like. In fact, make sure that you smash that subscribe button on YouTube and give us a like on Facebook. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram for important updates. And please download our free podcast wherever you get your podcasts. See you next time. Until then, give your kiddos a hug from me and one for you too. Bye-bye for now.
To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out some more of our videos, click here.